What's going on, guys? Sethward here, and welcome to weekly vlog number 45, the long-awaited for Six Flags. No, I'm just kidding. I wish, though. Anyway, for today's vlog, I have literally no ideas and nothing to do. So, yeah, keeping that in mind, I don't know if you can see behind me, but I'm gonna go ahead. You're probably wondering, you're probably not wondering actually at all, but you're probably wondering what this extension cord is for. Well, I'm going to show you that right now. You see, it's going all the way over here, and then it's going up here, and then, I don't want to step in the mud because I have socks on, but it's going over to there. Okay. I really don't know why I'm trying right now, because, nothing's working. But the point is, I have my GoPro. Ooh, look through this little peek through the hole. The point is, I have my GoPro set up here right now to take a time lapse. I started this a couple hours ago, around 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna have it take a time lapse. So the sun was like here. It's gonna go all the way down, so that you guys will be able to check out at the end of the video. Hopefully, I can keep your attention long enough to where that will happen. So for the rest of the day, I think I'm just gonna head down to the trail, fly the drone, maybe have some commentary. I don't know. I feel like I haven't brought the drone into the vlogs in a little while, so bring back a drone edit, do some sweet stuff. Hopefully the time lapse in the end is worth the wait. Wait, guys, the sun is out in this side, which means cool for the time lapse and all. But on the other side, there's a rainbow. Nice rainbow. Anyway, I haven't left yet because I still am waiting on my batteries to charge. I still have to charge some things, but I'll be leaving soon though, for sure. Alright guys, here we are. I'm heading out. I know it's a little while later, but it took longer to charge the batteries than anticipated. It's sunny for a little while. I think the sky is cleared up, although it's cloudy over this direction still, so. Good news is, yes, it's been rainy, but lately it's also been pretty sunny. Ooh, it's an old car. Nice looking.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, yeah. You're a wanderer just like me. Hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you better know where you're going. I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, yeah. You're a wanderer just like me. Hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Heck, dude, it's cold. It's actually not that cold, but it's the wind that gets you. It's not really raining right now either. It's just kind of a few drops here and there, but the drone was definitely had some moisture on it when I brought it in. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I didn't have much to do for today's vlog, so I figured I had to get out here and do something. So this is what I came up with. You guys can check out the time lapse in just a couple seconds, and I'm gonna end off the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope the time lapse is epic. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.